Dad56MC here, and today, my dad is going to test out security systems for people's houses, and this is one of them. And I think I'm going to add other security systems to this world, like, in the future, but, guys, my dad's going to hit one of these buttons and go into survival mode, and now, hit that button. No. Hit this button. Okay, so now my dad is in survival mode, and I'm going to open the door. Now go in. I need you to try, no, not yet, okay? I need you to try and reach this chest. So I'm going to put a chest down. And I'm going to give you stuff, okay, Dave?
So I get in the house, I get the chest.
Yeah.
Okay. Coming.
Here's what I'm going to give you.
You ready or not?
No. Okay, the chest has nothing in it. Like, go in the chest and get the stuff from it, okay, Dave?
Okay.
And try not to die. Alright? So, ready, set, go! Go, get in. I want to see how you do. Look at this, it's a crazy security system. Look at this, it's shooting so many arrows. Now look at this, look at how many arrows are coming out. Try to get in, Dave. Look at how many arrows are coming out. Go, run. Look at so many arrows. There's so many arrows.
Ow, I died.
There's so many arrows hit you. Okay, I'm going to try to turn it off. I'm going to take all the arrows out. Okay, I took all the arrows out. I'm going to pick up all of them. Don't worry, I turned it off, Day. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay now. No, it's okay now. It's off. Go back in the creative mode. No, go back in the creative mode.
Huh? What's the creative mode?
Yeah, go back. You're still in survival mode. Yeah, good. That was really crazy. There's so many arrows hit you. Okay, so now it's the base defense challenge. I want you to take these things. I need to take these things. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into survival. I'm gonna go into survival too, actually. Okay. So don't move. I want you to get some stuff. Give me those arrows. Okay, so that's good. And now I'm going to put these back. But before I do that, I'm going to go into creative mode. Here, take some of this stuff. What I need you to do is I need you to grab some of the stuff that I'm going to throw down. Okay, Dave? I need to take this, take this, take this, take this. And then I need you to take this, and then take this, and then afterwards, I also need you to take this. And then after that day, take this too. Okay, now you're ready to go in. Now you're ready to try and get in. Now don't get in yet. Go into survival mode. Now go into survival mode, okay? Hit the survival mode button. I have one arrow for some reason. Okay, so I'm gonna do that too. I'll back over here and I'm gonna hit the button. Then why did you eat the golden apples?
Huh?
No.
What? Why you give me golden apple?
Well, you need 2 more. Okay, now drink some milk.
Milk?
So I drink this milk and give me the bucket, okay?
Where's the milk?
I threw it to you.
Drink it.
Okay, now give the empty bucket to me and take these. And don't eat them, okay? And also take this. The golden carrot, the carrots are your food.
Carrots.
And wait, I forgot the most important thing. The diamond sword. Okay, take this. Okay, that's good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this bucket. And then I'm going to go into survival mode and we're going to start this. Right there. So, survival. No, I'm getting close. Okay. I'm gonna do the /kill command. Okay, I just died. Okay. Oops. What I need you to do is try to get into this, okay?
Get in this
thing. Yeah, and you can give yourself some blocks. /give at p res 64. Now organize your inventory by doing this. Okay, so that you're now ready. Wait, I forgot to give you a totem. Oh well, who cares? It won't make a difference. You'll probably die anyways. Okay? Now just walk toward it and try to get in. Alright? Now get toward it and just try to get in.
Should I eat what's what?
Arrows!
Oh my goodness. Crazy arrow.
So many arrows. You get hit by arrows. I want to hit you up. Oh! I can't hit you for some reason. I hit you, Day.
What happened?
I will jump down and pick up all these arrows. Wait, I'm starting to lag less. There's too many arrows. I'm picking all of them. Did I pick out some of the arrows? My inventory is filling up. Wait, I'm lagging less. Dave, I'm starting to lag less. Stop shooting me. And help me pick up some of these arrows. I'm starting to lag less.
Too much arrow.
Okay, I finished picking up the arrows. Dave, come on, pick some more up. So that we stop lagging. Okay, the lag is slow. The lag is gone almost.
Not really.
I'm gonna pick these over here up too. Okay, it stopped lagging. I stopped lagging, Day.
Seems like
The lag is gone. Now throw all your extra arrows away. Into the lava. Over here. See my name? Go to my name. You can't get them back. And now I'm here. Alright, now I'm gonna keep defending it. Wait, no, Day, don't go in yet.
What?
I'm gonna kill myself.
You on fire?
Okay, now I'm gonna try defending the base. Uh-oh.
Why are you on fire?
Okay, I'm trying to defend the base. I'm gonna shoot you, Day. Okay, you have to try to get in. But I'm gonna shoot you and prevent you. Oof, I fell off. Okay, it's a sword battle. It's a sword battle. Ugh. The sword battle. Ah, I got hit. Oh no, I'm getting knocked. I'm gonna hit back. Oh no, I ran out. Yeah. I'm hitting you with the combos. I'm hitting you with some combos. Yeah. I'm hitting you with so many combos. You're hitting me with a bow, Day. You're hitting me with a bow. Oh, ow! I got hit. I got hit. Ah. Ah. I'm dodging. I can get close. Oh, yeah. I'm taking damage. I took damage. Charge. Yes. Oh my gosh, Dave, wait. Look. Your armor is levitating on the ground. I'm stabbing you.
Too bad.
No, I'm stabbing you still.
So I got no armor.
Yeah, exactly. And yeah, guys, those were some defense systems that were displayed, and I tested them on just my dad. They were very effective. So if you guys want to, just make these in your world, then I'm gonna show you how to build them. I'm gonna show you how to build them, and I'm gonna go over here and then. Haha, you lost all your armor. Haha, you lost all your weapons.
Anyway, for you show us how to build this.
Guys, so these are unnecessary. I'm gonna.
How to build it, Gary? So many.
Okay. So first, guys, you need to take these things: lever, compartner, some redstone. And all you need is one dispenser. And a lot of arrows. And then what you need to do is you need to get a lava bucket. And then, you need some of this obsidian, and lastly, a trapdoor of your choice. I mean, obviously, you guys will use wood, but the people that are rich with iron can use iron. What you need to do first is you need to place this lever right here. Then place this comparator, turn it on, and put some redstone around it. Now, as you can see, guys, I made a classic repeating circuit. Now, guys, look here and build it. Okay, now since you've built that probably, I'm going to place this down. Okay, I'm going to break this, and I'm going to break that, and then my dad just left the game, but don't worry about that. And then we put the trapdoor right there. After that, actually, no. Put the obsidian here, and then we put the trapdoor right there, and we put the lava right there. And then, guys, what you do is you fill this with arrows. And you got your very own rapid fire arrow dispenser. Right here. I'm going to do /clear. And I'll pull this button. Actually, guys, you might need a repeater. Actually, guys, you might actually need a repeater. That's my fault. That's my fault. Okay, so, do all these steps, but put a repeater somewhere. And by somewhere, I mean, specifically, right here. Yeah, right. And then I'll hit this. Put that there. Turn it on. How did I make it again? Let me see. Yeah, I did the same thing here, except... Oh. Well, guys, that was a mistake. Turns out you just need to be on, it just has to be on the same block, as here. So, like, for example, so, yeah. So I'm gonna put some obsidian down. And then turn this on. Then take this redstone and place it around here. Now I'm gonna activate it. How does this one work so well? Huh. Weird. Oh, okay. That was weird. Well. I guess this crafter has to be iron? Oh, no. No, don't worry guys, I'll fix it. I have no idea why that's wrong. But guys, this is actually how you build it, because if you didn't see there. See? That's exactly how I built it. I honestly don't get why it's wrong. I don't get it. Redstone is weird sometimes. But anyway, guys, I'm sure this is just a temporary problem.
In creative mode.
Well, I have no idea what's wrong. But guys, if you do this in your world, I'm sure it'll work perfectly. I just have no idea why that this one works better than the other one.
One more try, Julia.
Well, I honestly have no idea. Well, I'm just gonna... But I think if I remove the lava, it's gonna work better, and... You don't actually need the lava, so... I don't know what's wrong. Maybe it's somehow related to this? I don't get how. Honestly, I have no idea how. Well then, in that case, I'm gonna try again. This time I'm gonna put it like right over here. It works now. I don't know why it didn't work before. I don't know why it didn't work before, guys, but that's it. And I'm gonna just have to clean that up. Brakes.
Stop the video.
I can worry about those arrows later. But yeah, guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you want more redstone tutorials like this, or any more command block tutorials, then feel free to drop a like on this video. And there's loud clicking noises from the... I don't want to get in here. I see that I should probably... Yep, that worked. That worked better than I thought. I need to shatter all the glass on the ceiling. All I had to do was shatter all the glass on the ceiling. Wow. Wow. It's a simple well, it's a fairly simple solution. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video now.